What's a piece of information that you learned that feels illegal to know?
I recently discovered a sneaky application that literally lets you steal product ideas from top eBay sellers on ebay.com. First, you're going to go on ebay.com and find a very huge seller. Then you're going to copy that seller's name and you're going to paste it on his website. It's going to show you his sell-through rate, how many listings he has, how many items he sold this month, and how much he's made monthly. You can actually see how many listings this seller actually has in his eBay store. Pick whatever product you actually want to check out and open that in a new tab. This product sold for $159 and sold for more than 259 times. So you want to come back to this website again, click on the icon right here, and what this is going to help you do is actually going to help you connect to the supplier of this product. As you can see from this supplier right here, is selling this product at about $26, and this seller is making about $110 just by selling this product. Click on the product right here and open it in a new tab. You can actually see on Alibaba right here, this product which is retailing for about $160 on the seller website, and it's retailing for about $26 on Alibaba. This actually feels illegal to know. Follow me for more tips and tricks.